Okay. Yo, 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 what's up, people? We're here in Kyoto. We're doing the live unboxing of the Quintessential Quintuplets Hottie Swimsuit Edition. Here we go. I got my boys in the back. They're like cheerleaders. They have no idea what I'm going to unbox. The girls are very curious. They want to know, how hottie is the hottie? Here we go. I'm using the pen knife. Here we go. Pen knife. Yeah, we did it. Drum roll, please. Are you ready? All right. This is dropping it while it's hot here in Kyoto.
Good.
Oh yeah! Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Shitter?
Yes, you
じゃあ今unboxing するよ。Are you ready? じゃああなたの反応が大事、一番大事やで。
Okay.
Are you ready? His reaction is the most important. Are you ready? どう？かわいい？
かわいい。
いけてるな。
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, BAM! Oh shit.
Oh,
2, 1, BAM! Oh! Look, even the other table's like. Those guys play Dungeons and Dragons. I know they do. You are the cleric. No, you're the barbarian. You're the bard. You're the DM. You're like the quiet one.
someone sculpted that.
Yeah, someone sculpted exactly. Are you
Somebody
ready?
was like,
This is the real One Piece right here. Can you open it?
Oh, there we go.
Come on, Andrew, please. Please. Now's your chance, man. It's your chance to shine.
The chance to shine on YouTube.
Yeah. They don't. You don't play Dungeons and Dragons, no?
Yeah, we do.
Play it?
We do.
I thought so. May all your roles be critical.
the record show. None of my figurines are in bikinis. Okay.
This is yours, though.
This is not mine.
She's got a big head, dude. Like, what's going on there? And what is this? What is this? I don't know.
I'm gonna be very respectful. As respectful as I can be here.
There you go.
Wow. Wow. Wow, people. Let's put her on the pedestal. Wow. Wow. Do you think she's anatomically correct for a female? Is this reality or not reality?
Be someone's boy.
Does she have a
It
wig?
could be someone's. I mean, does she have it in the right places though? Is this anatomically? No. No, it is. It can be. It can be. Her head's pretty big though.
Yeah.
You think that's about right? All right.
Our hair's pink as well.
Cheers.